All right. That's on my path. Really, just been bored with everything lately. Nothing eventful's really been happening. Not been fishing. Really just been bored, sitting around playing Xbox mostly. I use that as my additional walking bridge. I like to use that big one. But, yeah, not been going fishing or anything. I've left this trap down here for, Lord, I don't even know, a week or two, maybe. I know the water's up just a hair. It's been on and off sprinkling, but we need a really good rain. Just, do still come down here, that's nice. Just because, I mean, like, the majority of West Virginia's hills are literally just burning slap down. West Virginia and Kentucky is completely on fire. Hell yeah, that worked exactly how I didn't want it to. I forgot the part of standing on it to waterlog it, but fuck it. Might just try to walk on across anyway. I really didn't want to because I got a brand slap new pair of socks on today. But, oh gosh, I've left this trap unattended. Ooh. Yeah, right down in the good brand new socks. I've forgotten about it. I've not gotten out, done a whole lot. I mean, I went and saw a couple of friends. But other than that, it's just been laid back, Xbox, and working on the Jeep. Because, you know, a Jeep is going to be a Jeep and need work. It's just part of Jeep. I don't see anything. Yeah, we got a couple of minnows. To be honest with you, I'll probably just end up turning them loose. I didn't even bring my bait bucket with me. It's a pretty good little creek chub. 2 creek chubs. It's a good sizer. In all honesty. Got some big crawdads, big old crawdaddies. Got 20 crawdad in the corner right here. I'll turn them loose. I ain't got no need for all of them really. Get down there. I mean, I not really been catfishing. Look at him swim on out. They're all departing. Besides the big one, he's still trying to climb. Look at that. He just swimming on out. Buddy, go somewhere. Get off my trap. Thank you. The others, you all also need to depart. See if I think, no. I know what they're wanting. They're wanting to take my potatoes with them. Come on. There's one. Come on. There's another one. Really just playing with the crawdads now. That's how entertaining life's been. Go on ahead, little buddy. You're free. Get the fuck off. Leave my potato in there. Go on. Look at how that got knotted up. Be honest with you. I can't tell if that was dead. Oh no, he's alive. Whoa, he's a quick reacting little fella too. And I didn't have half a second to try and reach for him and he was ready. Oh, you pinch me. We're gonna fight like hell. I'm trying to release. I'm trying to release you. Come here. I'll grab your damn whisker. Come here. Give me that whisker. Bitch. But really, there's not been much of anything going on. Can you get out of the sight? I got too fat of hands to be able to reach down there. Thank you, actually. Listened perfectly. But everything's just been quiet and calm, a little bit boring. The weather's been feeling really good. I've just not really had the drive, I guess, to want to go and catfish, trout fish, any fish in general. I don't, just whatever. I've just kind of, I'm just going to throw it back out there. Leave it be, do whatever, come back, check it. I might end up getting over the wintertime blues and decide, hey, we're gonna go catch us some fish. But there's truly not been anything going on worth videoing or doing or anything. I've just kind of fucked off, best way to put it. I mean, I planned on going fishing the other day, and then, oh, that broke. That broke again. Dang it. But instead, I sat at the house and worked on the Jeep, pulled the transmission pan out. Oh, look at that little baby crawdad. And kind of just went through it, trying to figure out a shifting issue with it. Let's see, what else? Live streaming, Jeep, lazy. It checks off about everything. We're not even went hunting. I'm not done anything actually. let's see, signed back up for college. I already graduated from Tulsa Welding School in Jacksonville, Florida. #1 welding school in the country, yada, yada, yada. Graduated top of the class. And didn't do shit with any of it. Never took a welding job and any of that, blah, blah, blah. But to be fair, as soon as, like literally as soon as we graduated, I think it was like 2 days, and we moved back to good old West Virginia, which we shouldn't have because fuck this place. But I'm signing back up, so kind of interested in seeing how that's going to go. It's online classes, thankfully, but I'm mostly thinking about the FAFSA part, if they're gonna approve me or not, and all that. The medical books are gonna be like 5 something for like last year's edition, and they recommended getting this year's edition, which of course they're obviously going to, but you know, they said the terminology changes a lot and this and that, so I don't know. Hopefully everything just goes good and smooth with all that. I wouldn't mind having another certificate, degree, whatever. But I don't know, just figured I'd make a quick little video of something anyway, because I've not really been posting. Egg on it. I swear, there's nothing like a brand new pair of socks. It just makes your feet feel so damn good. But if you watch this and you're a Jeep person, preferably older, I guess, XJ, WJ, TJ type of stuff, WJ, all the J's. I do have a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, and for some reason I only have first and second gear. I was just driving and it just poof, like 4L60'd me basically. So that's great. But I've asked all kinds of forums and Facebook pages and this and that. Everybody's talking about all these different sensors, which I don't care to do, like throttle position sensors and stuff like that. I mean, not just because of how easy it is, but preferably just because of how cheap it is. And you know, people are recommending these $200 parts and or just a complete rebuild. That's gonna be a no for me. Big time. I'm more of a I'll go buy junk Jeep first, which I found one. The guy wanted scrap price for it, till I told him what scrap prices actually are right now. And then he kind of got a little offended by it. It is what it is. And, you know, he wants to say it on it, he can say it on it. It is what it is. Yeah. Let's choke to death on fucking recording. But I found another WJ. It's got blown engine, transmission, all that still good. I'd hate to do a transmission swap on this Jeep, but I kind of really like this Jeep. Sorta, kinda. I'm 50-50 with it. What the hell am I running over top of? Was there like a rock or something that I didn't see? I don't know what the hell that was. But yeah, I got the all-time all-wheel drive, blah, blah, blah. If you know anything about Jeeps, there's a tire rub, that's gorgeous. But if you know anything about Jeeps, let me know. Your opinion. Or diagnostic if you had the issue, whatever. I can throw it in drive and it won't shift up to second, but I can manually click it down to second. So there's that. But that's as far as they'll go. But I appreciate anybody that watches, anybody that, you know, has an input. You know, just like, follow, subscribe, blah blah, all that. It's beginning to be winter, so I'm gonna be seeing a little bit more of probably winter rides and doing donuts in the snow, all that good stuff. Shit, I don't know. A lot of live streams, a lot of Call of Duty, or any game that anybody recommends. Pretty sure that's it. I can't really think of anything else, but like I said, if you don't mind, like, follow, subscribe, share, all that. I've been lazy at the uploads. It's just been a rough time, more or less. But I appreciate it. Have a good day, and I love you.